The Wind Through the Keyhole, a Dark Tower novel by Stephen King. This is a large print hardcover edition. Second printing, put the condition at near fine, very good. My only note on this is minor shelf wear to the jacket. So, got a bit of gloss here. The jacket is not bookstore new. It's got a bit of rubbing, but not excessive rubbing. Just a bit of shelf wear on the front panel. Bit of shelf wear at the top and bottom edges. Back panel, again, it's got a little bit of rubbing shelf wear, not a great deal. And yeah, very good on the jacket, very good on the jacket. Near fine on the volume. There's our large print. Pages bright, white, crisp, clean, not dog-eared, not written on. So, Stephen King's The Wind Through the Keyhole, a Dark Tower novel, the hardcover, large print edition, near fine on the volume, very good on the jacket, has a little bit of shelf wear.